Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this beautiful Bennington 22MFB boat just landed here at the store. You'll see as far as the colors go, we've got the metallic sorrel with the black rigid paneling. You'll see it's got the upgraded Bennington cleats, full blackout package with black rub rail. You got your nav lights and docking lights nicely integrated on the side. This is a full-size Tritoon, guys, SPS package with the extended aft deck, powered with the Mercury 200 V6 with stainless steel prop. Again, guys, this is the fastback, so you'll see you've got your speakers located in the back on both sides. Excellent for listening while you're hanging out in the water and doing your water sports. Boat's also got the new and improved lily pad ladder. Makes it so easy for getting in and out the boat. Ski tow bar. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Bennington 22MFB. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see you've got full-size loungers, nice 80% cutouts, perfect for holding sunscreen, your day bag, cell phones. Plenty of cup holders throughout the front here with USB charging stations on each side. Nice bow table with cup holders. Of course, with the M, you get these drop-down armrests. Plenty of extra cubby holes throughout this whole boat. Over here in front of the passenger's chair, you have a designated spot for your trash can, an extra flip-up table, and a drawer for dog bowl and for food and water. In the floor storage, guys, taking a look at the helm, you'll see we've got the Vivid screen, which connects to your engine for performance specs, and then we have the Garmin Echo Map for all your mapping, topo maps, depth finder, fish finder capabilities. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo, soft touch for all your other applications. Of course, you have a tilt on your steering wheel. 10-foot power bimini top. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.